आज 15 अगस्त, आज ही के दिन हमारे देश को आज़ादी मिली थी अंग्रेज़ों से 1947 में। आज हम कल्याण विद्या निकेतन में हैं और हमारा स्टूडेंट्स एक बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस देने जा रहे हैं आज़ादी की इस शुभ अवसर पर। तो आइए शामिल होते हैं।
कभी रसधान हो जाऊं, कभी राधा कन्हैया का, कभी गोकुल धाम हो जाऊं। मैं वंदे मातरम की धुन कभी बजते सुन लूं तो तिरंगे की तरह इठला के हिंदुस्तान हो जाऊं।
With these heart-touching lines, we are marking this momentous occasion with a very warm welcome of our today's esteemed chief guest, retired IG Shri Ashok Kumar Ji Yadav, honorable members of management, very proud principal ma'am, respected teachers, and all my dear friends.
As we gather here to celebrate the spirit of freedom and mark the occasion of Independence Day with the theme of Nation First, Always First. Today, we pay homage to the brave souls who fought for our country and for our liberty.
It is rightly said, देशभक्तों से ही देश की शान है, देशभक्तों से ही देश का मान है। हम उस देश के फूल हैं जिस देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान है।
India is celebrating 77th anniversary of its Independence Day. I am Nisha, along with my co-host Moksh, congratulate all of us for this great moment.
The tricolor is not just a piece of cloth, it's a symbol of unity, courage and sacrifice. It represents the aspiration of millions of Indians who dream of a free and sovereign nation.
Let's rise in honor of our national flag as we prepare to witness the unfurling of the tricolor accompanied by the playing and singing our national anthem. To hoist the flag, I would like to invite our honorable chief guests, respected members of management and principal ma'am.
Attention! National anthem loudly begin.
education, but also signifies the sense of community that brings us all together. Thank you, Reverend, for being with us.
हमारे आज के कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि के व्यक्तित्व और कृतित्व से आपका परिचय कराने हेतु मैं हमारे विद्यालय की अध्यापिका श्रीमती निवेदिता पारांजुपे मैम को आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
Please, ma'am.
Thank you, Mosh. Our flag does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. Today, on behalf of Kalyan Vidyaniketan School, I cordially welcome our chief guest, Shri Ashok Kumar Yadav, retired IG BSF. BSF, Border Security Force. BSF has been termed as the first line of defense of Indian territories. It comes under the Ministry of Home Affairs. On this special day and a special occasion of 77th Independence Day, we salute and honor a real hero who is present amongst us. A soldier doesn't need any introduction, but it's the biggest honor itself. Sir, in your 37 years of career in BSF, you started your career as an Assistant Commandant Direct Entry Officer. After basic training in 1984 as an Assistant Commandant, sir, you have commanded BSF Company in West Bengal from 1985 to 1988 and later in the state of Punjab from 1988 to 1991. Sir, as a Deputy Commandant from 1991 to 2002, you have performed variety of staff assignments and coordinated different mechanisms of channel of command. Sir, you had commanded BSF battalion for about 6 years, out of which 5 years were spent in Jammu and Kashmir and 1 year at Siliguri border from 2002 to 2008 and posted as Commandant Finance at BSF headquarters. After being promoted as DIG in Delhi, sir, you went to Manipur and commanded a training center from 2009 to 2010. Till then, you are designated as IG till 2020. भूमि गरीयसी माता स्वर्गात् उच्चतर पिता जननी जन्म भूमिश्च स्वर्गात् अभिगरीयसी, which means the importance of motherland is greater than mother and the importance of father is greater than that of heaven, but the importance of mother and motherland is beyond both of them. According to Mahatma Gandhi, our nation is the cause and not the death that makes the martyr. Sir, during the service career, you have achieved so many decorations, out of which the first one that I am having in my list start with its President Police Medal for Distinguished Service in 2019, Police Medal for Meritorious Service in 2012, Director General's Commandant role, Additional Director General's role, Inspector General Commendation Cards and United Nations Medal for Peace. Home Minister Police Antrik Suraksha Seva Padak and Deployment of Service Medal, Operational Medal, out of which Kargil War, Operation Vijay and Operation Parakram. We are blessed to have you amongst us today. I would like to end up this introduction with few lines to share with our students also in Hindi. ठंड में ठिठुर कर देख लेना, कभी तपती धूप में जलकर देख लेना, कैसे होती है हिफाजत मुल्क की, कभी सरहद पर चलकर देख लेना. And on behalf of our entire family of Kalyan Vidyaniketan, a few words for your greetings. हम हर पल सच्चे भारतीय बनकर देश के प्रति अपना फर्ज निभाएंगे, ज़रूरत पड़ी तो लहू का एक एक कतरा देकर इस धरती का कर्ज चुकाएंगे। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, ma'am.
On this very proud moment, I would like to request our most respected director, sir, Shri Vishnu Jigar, to welcome our honored chief guest by presenting a bouquet.
Thank you so much, sir. स्वतंत्रता दिवस का जश्न मनाने आए हैं और हमें गर्व है कि आप सभी हमारे साथ हैं। आपकी उपस्थिति इस महत्वपूर्ण मौके की महिमा को और भी बढ़ाती है।
I request your respected principal ma'am to welcome our esteemed members of Shri Vishnu Jigar. कुछ नशा तिरंगे आन का है, कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का है। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह यह तिरंगा, यह नशा हिंदुस्तान के सम्मान का है।
Now we have a series of various performances that will be the showcase of diverse and rich heritage of our country.
अनेकता में एकता देश की शान है, अनेकता में एकता देश की शान है, इसलिए मेरा भारत महान है। With these inspirational lines, I would like to call the performers of the patriotic song.
खुशनसीब होता है वो खून जो देश के काम आता है। A very good morning to Honorable Chief Guest, respected Director Sir, Principal Ma'am and to all the dignitaries present here. I am Kanika Rathi, standing in front of you all on this auspicious occasion of India's 77th Independence Day. On 15th of August 1947, India gained its independence from the United Kingdom and freed itself from the shackles of colonialism. With such toil and training, India fought for its independence for about a decade. Let us all hold our hands together and go in front of all those heroes who had bravely fought to give us a generation full of freedom and liberty. As we move forward with freedom, we should keep in mind that freedom is harder to protect than to achieve. Today, our minds are fearless and our heads are held high up in the sky. Not only we freed ourselves from the colonialism, but we also rejuvenated our nation and brought India back with a revolution. Our leaders and their invaluable struggle to free India from the shackles of injustice had been an inspiration to all of us as an epitome of courage and bravery. As we move today, think of those times when the country had blood marks engraved on its battleground, where people were forced to become slaves of the British, where people were treated as untouchables. Ask not what your nation can do for you. Ask not what your nation can do for you. Ask what you can do for your nation. India had been so vibrant and united in itself. It has such a huge democracy and population, due to which it had spaced up itself in such a position that the whole universe looks back at India as a place where unity exists along with such diversity. India is the 5th largest global economy. India is one of the fastest growing economies of the world. India is known as the melting pot of cultures and traditions. India's third lunar mission, Chandrayaan-3, was successfully launched on 14th of July 2023. Our nation's culture resides in the heart and in the soul of its people. Now, India is an independent nation. India has the most talented and creative minds. Let's salute all the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters and soldiers who made us realize the dream of an independent and unified India. We pay tribute to all those heroic personalities. Justice, liberty, equity, unity and fraternity. May we build a better future and embellish it with high hopes, growth and positivity. आज़ाद होने का जोश कभी कम ना होने देंगे। आज़ाद होने का जोश कभी कम ना होने देंगे। ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो देश के लिए जान लुटा देंगे। भारत हमारा देश है, अब इस पर कभी कोई आँच ना आने देंगे। At last, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day once again.
Thank you, Kanika.
I would like to call Jay Parya from class 11 to recite a Hindi poem.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम जय पारिया है। मैं कक्षा 11वीं का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आपके समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है उठो धरा के अमर सपूतों। उठो धरा के अमर सपूतों, पुनः नया निर्माण करो। जन जन के जीवन में फिर से नव फूर्ति नव प्राण भरो। नई प्रात है, नई बात है, नई किरण है, ज्योति नई, नई उमंगे, नई तरंगे, नई आस है, सांस नई। युग युग के मुरझे सुमनों में नई नई मुस्कान भरो। उठो धरा के अमर सपूतों, पुनः नया निर्माण करो। उठो धरा के अमर सपूतों, पुनः नया निर्माण करो। डाल डाल पर बैठे विहंग कुछ नए स्वरों में गाते हैं। गुनगुन गुनगुन करते भोरे मस्त उधर मंडराते हैं। नवयुग की नूतन वीणा में नया राग
धरती माँ की आज हो रही नई सुनहरी काया है। नवयुग की नूतन बीना में नया राग नया गान भरो, उठो धरा के अमर सपूतों पुनः नया निर्माण करो। सरस्वती का पावन मंदिर सुख संपत्ति तुम्हारी है, तुम में से हर बालक इसका रक्षक और पुजारी है। शत शत दीपक जला ज्ञान के नवयुग का आह्वान करो, उठो धरा के अमर सपूतों पुनः नया निर्माण करो। धन्यवाद। जय।
Thank you, Jay, for such a heart-touching poem. Now, let us hear from our beloved Principal Ma'am about her thoughts on this significant occasion. Please, ma'am.
Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Ashok Kumar Yadav ji, respected members of the management, directors, teachers, and all my lovely children. I hope this day finds you in the best of your spirits. We can see the zeal and the gusto amongst students who were preparing for this program since a week. I am really very thankful to the chief guest that he has spared his valuable and precious time for our children. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you and wish you a very happy Independence Day. Children, it's the 77th Independence Day. We have won the freedom 77 years back. When the Britishers left us, they left us devastated. We were ripped of our wealth, our riches and everything. It's not that they have left us like that. They have left us because there was nothing to be robbed now. So, under such circumstances, it was really very difficult to do the rehabilitation and to re-establish the country. But after so many years, again, we have done it. We are standing proud in the world economy. And that is only because of the youth and young leaders like you. I am really very proud of you all, and I hope you all will prove yourself to be a good citizen. What does freedom mean? When we say freedom, is it just to be a free person and you are free to do whatever you want to do? No, it's not like that. Freedom comes with the responsibilities and duties, and you all must be aware of it. Recently you have seen a beautiful skit and you have seen what sacrifices the freedom fighters have done, and because of them we can see this dawn of free India today. So we also have our duties, our responsibilities, and you all must follow them to become good citizens of India. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has coined one term, Atmanirbhar Bharat. It's such a beautiful word, Atmanirbhar. What do we understand by it? Atmanirbhar means self-sufficient and self-reliant. The one who is able to fulfill his needs on his own. This is what is meant by Atmanirbhar country. So we are marching forward to become Atmanirbhar Bharat, where we wish to have zero import from other countries, no dependability on others. We should manufacture, we should produce whatever are our needs, and we need not ask for it from someone else. That is what is self-reliance. And it's really a very good concept which Honorable PM Modi has coined. There are 5 pillars of Atmanirbhar Bharat mission. I would like to discuss with you today what are those 5 pillars. By following them, by working on them, our country is marching forward towards the self-dependence. And those pillars are really very important pillars. The first one out of them is economy. The second one is infrastructure. Third one is the system And fifth, the most important is demand. So when we talk about economy, we wish to have the quantum jump into the economy. Quantum jump means not a gradual increase. There should be high increase now. There should be a quantum jump in the economy of the country. When we talk about infrastructure, the second pillar of Atmanirbhar Bharat, infrastructure here means the modernization of infrastructure. When we talk about system, it's the technology-driven system. When we talk about digital India, you people must have seen so much of digitalization is there everywhere today. We are moving toward paperless offices now. So this digitalization, technology and system is very important. The next fourth pillar is demography. Demography here means the population of the country. Population means Jansankhya, we all who are Indians. So we have the most vibrant demography in the world because we are the youngest nation. Number of youth in the country is very high. So the demography should be very, very vibrant. And last but not the least, the fifth pillar is demand. It refers to the demand and supply which we see in the economy. So if we minimize our import, if we maximize our export, we'll become self-reliant. Very soon we'll be Atmanirbhar country. So you, the youth, the young generation is going to work for it. You are going to make this dream come true. Today we are going to have oath ceremony as well. The school council is elected and the children will be handed over the responsibilities. I really wish them good luck because leadership starts from school. You must understand the meaning of leadership here. I have already explained it to the council. It's not only the bossing. It's not only bullying. Leadership is a great responsibility. Leadership is to take everybody with you, and leadership is to work for the growth of every individual. So I hope all the students today who are going to get the badges, they will definitely work for the school and they will fulfill the dreams of the school. Children, always set your goals very high. When we say Atmanirbhar Bharat, for that, first of all, every individual should become Atmanirbhar. You should be self-dependent and you should not be depending on others. Create your own identity. Forget about what you have inherited. That's not what you have created. You should have your own creation, you should have your own identity, and you should be a proud, independent person. So every individual also should start working for Atmanirbharta, and we should really become Atmanirbhar country very soon. And for that, you will have to set your goals very high, work very hard to achieve those goals. It's not that easy. There is no shortcut for success. Only the hard work, consistency, persistent effort can bring you the success. So you all have to work for it. Children, it is always said that aim at the moon. And even if you miss, you will land somewhere near the stars. So first of all, your aims should be very high. I hope all the students of Kalyan Vidya Niketan will set their goals high and they will bring glory for the school as well as for their family and for the nation. With this, I end my speech. Thank you very much for your patient listening, and once again, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
वोट टेकिंग सेरेमनी एक आगाज है, कर्तव्य और जिम्मेदारी का एक एहसास है. With having these feelings in my mind, I am going to hand over the mic to Aditi and Aditya to conduct the investiture ceremony.
Good morning everyone. I am Aditi, with my co-host Aditya, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I would like to request Honorable Chief Guest and all the dignitaries for pinning the badges to our newly appointed council members.
Investiture ceremony is not just about providing title, but about conferring the speech to the students to take charge of the school and take it to the height with their leadership, communication and teamwork.
अच्छा लीडर वह होता है जो विजन को रियलिटी में बदलने की क्षमता रखता है एंड आवर काउंसिल मेंबर्स हैव बीन अपॉइंटेड विद दिस लीडरशिप क्वालिटी.
Our council members must remember that these badges come with the great responsibilities and the expectations that come along with it.
As we embark on the momentous occasion, we should now proceed with the presentation of badges, a symbol of their commitment and leadership.
Our council members must remember that I request each council member to come forward as we call their name to receive their emblem of honor. Please welcome them with huge round of applause.
Arpit Thakur from class 12 Commerce, head boy of the school.
He has a pleasant personality and he knows how to lead with his smile.
Payal Yadav from class 12 Commerce, head girl of the school.
Intelligence plus bold character, the identity of our head girl.
Krishi Singh from class 10, vice captain.
Good communication is the strongest point of Krishi. He knows how to impress us.
Priya Prajakar from class 12 Commerce, vice captain.
Live and let live, work and let work, happy and let happy is the aim of her life, and she works on this principle.
Ilesh Maske from class 11 Science, disciplinary secretary. Class 12 Commerce, cultural secretary.
Actions are louder than words. He speaks less, work more.
Vedaki Dubey from class 12 Science, joint secretary.
She is known as Miss Perfectionist. She gets work from others so easily, hence she has selected on the post of joint secretary.
Preeti Gandhi from class 12 Science, executive of the school.
She knows how to use her soft voice in a prominent way.
Yashna Chauhan from class 10, executive of the school.
आदर और कार्य में रहकर काम करना, सबका साथ, सबका विकास फॉलो करना और काम के प्रति ईमानदार रहना ही इनकी पहचान है.
Ayushi Gandhi from class 11 Commerce, sports secretary.
Leaders are not born, but men. She is a perfect example of this saying.
Pradeep Thakur from class 11 Commerce, sports secretary.
Now I have Aryan Pannu from class 11 Commerce captain.
Toward his work.
Banu Raghuvanshi from class 5th prepare.
He believes in overcoming difficulties by gaining strength and maturity.
Now Gandhi House. Mayank Avliya from class 11 Commerce captain.
ये कहते हैं दूसरों की बुराई करने में क्यों वक्त गुजार दें, इससे तो अच्छा है अपनी ही प्रतिभा को धार दें।
Kanak Patel from class 9 vice captain.
She has a very good understanding with juniors and seniors. She knows the way to tackle the situation.
Ansh Yadav from class 5th prepare.
He handles himself using his head to handle others. Now Teresa House. Nisha Thakur from class 11 Science captain.
She has a leadership quality. She listens more and speaks less.
Diksha Dangi from class 9 vice captain.
She believes in learning is never-ending process and she never lies in comfort zone but also ready to face challenges.
Chitrash Jamle from class 5th prefect.
He takes the blame for mistakes and gives credit for success to his team.
Now Tagore House. Jay Parya from class 11 Commerce captain.
सब जो कहते हैं यह हमेशा सुनते रहते हैं। जिंदगी के संघर्ष को चुनौती समझकर लड़ते रहते हैं।
Rituraj Dixit from class 9 vice captain.
सोच से संभावना तक का सफर हौसलों से गुजरता है। Ritu Rajesh great courage in his very young age.
Darshita Mehra from class 5th prefect.
She is a perfect leader because she knows the way, she goes the way and she shows the way.
Now I humbly request to our esteemed chief guest Shri Ashok Kumar Yadav ji to administer the oath to our new committee members.
Namaste. We, the council members of our school, solemnly resolve to follow rules and regulations of this school. We will present such an attitude and behavior that will set an example for our fellow schoolmates. We will strive for the excellence of our school in academic, sports and curricular activities, and will try to inculcate the same spirit in our fellow schoolmates take this oath in presence of our elders, schoolmates, divinity of above all. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. I, Aditya, on behalf of Kalyan Vidyaniketan family, congratulate to all newly appointed council members. May you have a bright future.
Respected parents, respected principal madam, respected teachers. आज हम आज़ादी का 77वीं सालगिरह मना रहे हैं। आज जिस स्टेटस पे हम हैं, जहां भी हमारे पास जो भी हमारे पास है वो इस आज़ादी की वजह से हमें प्राप्त हुआ है। इतना बढ़िया स्कूल और उसमें इतनी अच्छी आपको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए शिक्षा, इतना अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट, देशभक्ति के नारे, भारत माता की जय के नारे, ये सब संभव हुए हैं देश की आज़ादी से। अगर हमारे देश पर अंग्रेजों का राज हो तो ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी जिंदाबाद करना पड़ेगा और उससे हमें मुक्ति मिली 15 अगस्त 1947। यह आज़ादी एक राजनीतिक आज़ादी नहीं और हम एक के बाद एक स्तर पर आगे बढ़कर नई नई आज़ादी को खोज कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि सिर्फ देश का राजनीतिक आज़ाद होना ही काफ़ी नहीं है, देश का गरीबी से आज़ाद होना जरूरी है, देश का नशे से आज़ाद होना जरूरी है, देश का भेदभाव से आज़ाद होना जरूरी है, देश का ऊंच नीच और जो खाई है उससे आज़ाद होना जरूरी है। जब तक हम अपनी उपलब्धियों को हम बोलते हैं कि हम 5वीं बड़ी विश्व की अर्थव्यवस्था है, तो उसका होना सार्थक तभी होगा जब हमारे देश का लास्ट गरीब से गरीब अपने जीवन यापन में अमानवीय कृत्य करने को मजबूर ना हो, उसका गुलाम की तरह बर्ताव से मुक्ति मिले। काम करना सबका कर्तव्य है। कोई क्या काम करता है, कोई क्या काम करता है, कोई सेना में जाता है, कोई इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलप करता है।
Let's fill with respect and overwhelm with the memories of our school and sing school anthem. I would like to call the choir group to present